All right, Drew here, head instructor of A&M BJJ, back with a new trusty white belt with a cool name, King. So today we will be going over another session of things white belts should know, and we're doing pendulum sweep. So he's probably gonna have his hand somewhere in this area. What I wanna do is I wanna grab the sleeve, right? Get a nice good grab of the sleeve here, and you wanna grab in the back of the arm right here. Okay, so now I'm going to bring my knees to my chest at an angle while I pull and push this. What it does is it brings his posture down. Now, I'm gonna reach up and grab a piece of his armpit right here, and most likely his natural reaction is gonna be to try to get up. As he does that, I follow him, no, go back that way. I follow him, right? And now I just shoot this hand underneath his leg, and I just pendulum sweep him.